Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. The Galaxy A42 could be the Samsung first ever device which is coming with a Penta camera setup on the back side. The A52 will be sticking with the 4 cameras. We already know that Samsung was first ever device a couple of years ago which was coming with a quad camera setup for the first time in their Galaxy A9 series in 2018, but after that company hasn't introduced any kind of more camera sensor in their devices. They are stick with the similar quad camera setup even in their flagship level devices and also in the mid-range category. Other companies like the Nokia, Xiaomi and Huawei has bring up the Penta camera setup in their devices, and in fact Nokia 9 PureView was first ever device which was coming with a Penta camera setup. But anyhow, Samsung is now planning to introduce a Penta camera setup in the Galaxy A72. The news has been arrived from the South Korean tech news website, and according to that news, it has also shared some of the camera specification details of the device. It's going to be coming with a 64 megapixel of a main camera shooter, a 12 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, 8 megapixel of a telephoto lens with a 3x of optical zoom, and a 5 megapixel of macro shooter and a 5 megapixel of bokeh effect. A 32 megapixel of a selfie camera is expected to sit on the opposite side of the device. The design of Galaxy A72 will be pretty much similar to A71 with some minor changes, and the main change will be obvious is going to be the Penta camera, and the quad camera setup which we have seen in the A71 has one added camera sensor. We might see a different color scheme in the device in the future, but that is going to be the only two changes which I feel will be coming in terms of design. There is no internal specification of the device has yet been leaked, and I personally think that the device might be coming with a Snapdragon 765G chipset inside. But anyhow, this is my assumption. Don't take it seriously, take it as a pinch of salt. The other device is going to be A52, and that is going to be releasing in the future alongside with the A72 devices, and Samsung is expecting to boost the sale of their devices up to 30 million, which is going to be the 10% of their overall yearly sales. Another news is coming from the Samsung Galaxy F41, which is going to be the first ever device in the F series, and its hands-on video from Technical Guruji has been uploaded, and along with that there is also a teaser video has been leaked for the Galaxy F41, which gives us pretty much the details of the device that pretty much similar to the design of Galaxy M series, which is the M31 I suppose, and it is going to be coming with similar U-shaped notch and just a trim in the camera sensor. Instead of quad camera, we are going to see a triple camera setup in the Galaxy F41. A fingerprint scanner on the back side is pretty much similar to Galaxy M series. The launch date of Galaxy F41 is going to be held on October the 8th. It's also coming with a 64 megapixel main camera, Exynos 9611 chipset, 6 gigs of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. That's it about the F series first ever device. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the upcoming Penta camera setup in the Galaxy A72? Will it going to be a game changer? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here, do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.